Kublai pibaro nagdurashin kan rash long prayas bhai pisai sin chagane ka program ka bon chipi malaka new play na ka bantaki KHUBOR LAIT KAM baki KHUBOR LAIT KAM jagane ka tiyaw kilong kumni. The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment SCSTE Meghalaya ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap ye ki post po contract basis but ki post kilong ka post research specialist ka we ka posting ka long hanang ba shlong kerta ka babyang ka long sausan snem ka jingyo ka long nyo popra hajar ship na ida mat ki we ki allowances ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap ye ka master's degree ha ka development studies project management tani ki lanjing puli ki bayisrim na kino ki recognized university lani institute ki applicant ki deru banlong ki bet ha ka tho ka tar bat ha ki kam research but don ka make experience ka basan snam shaneng ka post senior manager lani manager executive associate ka we ka posting kan long hashlong kerta ka babyang ka long sausan snam ka jingyo ka long 7,000 pras pa na ka benta ka post senior manager but lai pukhandai hajar na ka benta ka post manager don ka make experience ka basan snam shaneng Kapos Assistant Manager Knowledge Management kawi kapos kerta ka babyang ka long sapusan snem kajingyo ka long lai po hajar arts pa lemat ki allowances don ka ki candidate ki bala pandep ka graduation and post graduation haka information science development studies mass communication public policy tani ki lanjing pudi ki bayasrim madon ka experience ka balai snem sheneng ki applicant jang ki post baro ki deban long ki betbet ha ka tho ka tar ka kran ka khana ki betbet ha ki kam computer kham tam ha ka bidei but ka word processing spreadsheet powerpoint but ki we but bantip khambanya pule ka official notification ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing pule kin happen poi ka prescribed application to office of the member secretary SCSTE and joint secretary Planning, Investment Promotion and Sustainable Development Department, Government of Meghalaya, tani pila ruban paaling ba ka email, shaka ID, meg@meghalaya.gov.in. Katarik haddo, benpreng ka application ba pura kan long, haka pratarek no pra December ahaja arpulay. Ka Bioresource Development Center BRDC Science and Technology Cell Department of Planning Government of Meghalaya ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap ye ka post ka balaj ba ka post kalong ka post knowledge associate ka we ka post kerta ka babyang hapo ka shitrek uklaling ko January arhaja arpulai kalong sabusan snem ka jingyo kalong lai phundai hajar lemat ki we ki allowances ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandep ka master's degree ka life science and in development studies lane ki jing puli ki bayasriem ne ki reputed organization and institution ki applicant ki deban long ki betbet ha ka tho ka tar ba ki kam research don ka make experience ka basan stem sheneng ha ka bede ba ki kam research and analysis ka bakan thop ki record keeping with pen poi ki high qualified research output ha ka bede ba ka publication ba ki we ki kam chunka research project Mandip Khambanya ha ka bide but ki experience pule ka official notification shwaban apply ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing pule can happen apply ha ka prescribed application but pen poi to join secretary to the government of Meghalaya planning department and member secretary bioresource development center 5.5 mile upper Shillong but katarek hado ban priang eka application pura kalong ha ka lai photorek unai wing November araja apply Ka Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force ITBP ka khod online application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap ye ka post ka balaj bat ka post kalong ka post assistant commandant engineer handle tali ki post tali ki post kilang unreserved nagabantai ki OBC but nagabantai ki SC kerta ka babyang ka long life post nem but kerta panjalan on priang tang na ki OBC SC but ST Kajingyo kalong haka P level 10 san penriu hajar shispa hado shilak nyopunyo hajar san spa at kum ka 7 CPC but kiwe allowances at kum ka ITB PF MHA Government of India. Ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandep ka bachelor's degree haka line civil engineering na ki recognized university lana institution On pedang tangai ka online application ki candidate can hapro ban siu ya ka application fee ka bisyong dor south pa tingka bat tang ki SC ST ex serviceman bat ki candidate kan thai kimdan ka ban siu ya ka application fee katarik khadu ban register online kalong ha ka khan riu trek uno pra December araja arpulai Matip company but ban register online pin haban led chika website www.itbpolice.nic.in Ka State Bank of India SBI ka panbanay ka KHUBOR LAIT kambar ka khod application na ki candidate min pandap iki prahajar aspa prapulightly ki post ki balat ka post SBI Junior Associate Customer Support and Sales prahajar aspa prapulightly ki post North Eastern Region kilong Hindus pa prapusantali Assam South pa laipotli ki post Arunachal Hindu pukhandaitli ki post Manipur arpan riutli ki post Mizoram khatnyotli ki post Nagaland, South Liki Post, Tripura, Arpan Liki Post, but Meghalaya, Liki Post. Kertak pobiang hapo ka shitrik yong April araja arpulai ka long hapadeng ka arpo bat arpo prasnem, but kertap jalan on pedang tang naki SC, ST, OBC bat PWD. Kibalaban apply ki ki graduates na kanu line kibalapan dep ka jing pule na ki recognize university lani institution. Kibalaban apply ki diru ki candidate kibadan lani kibalapan dep eka integrated dual degree hapo kalai potre no pra December arja arpulai. Kibalaban apply ki diru ki final year lani ki final semester candidate. Ki applicant ki diru banlong kibandang ye katin local hakabede berkajaka posting. Ki applicant baro can happen siu ye ka application fee ki basyong dor news pasan voting ka bat tangki SC, ST bat PWD kimdan ka ban siu ye ka application fee. Ban apply online, pinhaban led check our website www.sbi.co.in. Katarik khatdo ban register online kan long hakan nyotrek uno pra December araja arpulai. Ka Department of Post ka panbanay ka KHUBOR LAIT kam mat ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap ye ki post po ka sports quota mat ki post kilong ka post postal assistant sanspa khnai po pratli ki post ka post sorting assistant chispa sa politely ki post kerta ka biang na ka banta ka post postal assistant but sorting assistant kan long ha padeng ka khat phra bat arp news nem ka jing yo kan long ha ka P level 4 arpusan hajar hado prapo hajar shispa ki applicant jaka post postal assistant but sorting assistant ki deban long ki balapan dep ya ka bachelor's degree ne ki recognized university but ki pandang ro haki kam computer ka post postman sanspa prapusan liki post ka post mail guard light liki post ki applicant jaka post postman and mail guard ki deban long ki bala pass class 12 ne ki recognized board ki badan hapadeng ka khat prabar apanyos nem ki bandang hakikam ki bandang ye katin local ha ka bede ba ka jaka posting but ki bala pule ye katin local ha ka standard cheneng ki bandang ro hakikam computer but ki badan ye ka valid driving license for two wheeler than a light motor vehicle ka jing yo kan long ha ka pay level 3 arpo hajar news pa hado hindu pukunda hajar shispa thinka ka post multitasking staff sanspa nyo photali ki post kerta ka biang kan long ha padeng ke khat phra bat lai pusan snem ka jing yo kan long ha ka level 1 khat phra hajar hado sanphan ru hajar khandai spa ki class 10 pass na ki recognized board ki laban apply ki applicant jong bar ki post ki de ban long ki nong yele kai ki bala mi khmat ane represent na ka jalla ane ri ha ki no ki recognized state ane national tane international sports event ki bala represent na ki universities ha ki inter university competition bala pelong da ka inter university board ki no yele kai ki bala mi khmat ane represent na ki school jong ka no jalla ha ki national sports tane games for school bala pelong da ka all India school games for federation ha ki no ki sports tane games ki no yele kai ki bala yora ye ka khus nam ne ka award ha ka physical efficiency ha po ka national physical efficiency drive ki post ha North Eastern region ki dan laipo artali ki applicant jong waro ki post kin haban apply online link ba ka direct link ka application fee ka shongdor shispa thinka ki SC ST PWBD ki economically weaker section but ki candidate kan thai But ke transgender kim don ka ban siwe ka application fee. Ke tarik khaddo ban register online kan long ha ka khandai tarik uno pra December ahajar pulai. Mendip kambanya ha ka bayday bat ki post discipline wise ka rukom jiet ban apply online mat kiwe ki jingtip let's check our official website jangka post office. The Small Industries Development Bank of India ka khot online application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing pulewan pandap ye ka post ka balat ka post ka long ka post assistant manager grade A general stream san photali ki post pratali ki post na ka bantai ki SC saw na ka bantai ki ST kharwai na ka bantai ki OBC san na ka bantai ki economically weaker section but arpo artali ki post kilong unreserved Kertak bobiang hapo ka pratarik unai wing November ahalaja arpulai kilong lai post nem. Kerta penjalan ke balai snem on priang ke bentai ki OBC san snem na ki SC but ST but she post nem na ki PWD candidate. Ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendep ek bachelor's degree any subjects ni ki recognized university bom dunai kan 4% but dan kam tang san percent ni ki SC ST PWD. The Nike Balapandap Computer Application, Computer Science, CWA, CMA, the Nike Balaban apply kidiru ki candidate, the Nike Balaban apply kidiru ki candidate, ki Balapandap eka bachelor's degree, haka law and engineering, bomdunai can 4%, but dan kam tang san percent naki SC, ST but PWD. Dan kamru eka experience bomdunai ka arts nem naki scheduled banks, the Indian financial institutions haka MSME, the neki balaban apply ki diru ki candidate ki badane ka experience ka balais nem haki systematically important NBFCs in MSME lending lane non-individual lending lane corporate lending. On priang tang ka online registration link baka direct link ki applicant kin habro ban siu ya ka application fee ka basyong dor share jar shispa tingka batang shispa nyo pusan tingka nanga banta ki SC ST bat PWBD ki applicant ki baladan lupa hapo ka service lembat ka MSME kin dan ka ban siu ka application fee ban apply online bin haban let check a website www.sidbi.in but katarek khaddo ban prangi ka online application kan long ha ka arpo pratrek unai wing November ahraja arpo lai ka North Eastern Hill University Nehu kapan banai ka KHUBOR LAIT gambar ka khot online application na ki candidate ban pandap iki post apo ka group B but group C non-teaching post ki post hapo ka group B administrative lane ministerial services kilong section officer hinyodali ki post santali ki post kilong unreserved kawai na kabantai ki SC but kawai na kabantai ki OBC ka post assistant santali ki post southli ki post kilong unreserved but kawai ka post na kabantai ki OBC ka post professional assistant ha library service kawai ka post unreserved ka post private secretary ha secretariat services kawai ka post unreserved ki post hapo ka group C kilong ka post lower division clerk nyopunyo taligi post lipo taligi post kilong unreserved lipo saw na kabantai ki ST sa na kabantai ki OBC but pra na kabantai ki economically weaker section ka post multitasking staff lipo nriu taligi post khatlai taligi post kilong unreserved khatlriu na kabantai ki ST line na kabantai ki OBC but saw na kabantai ki SC ka post statistical assistant statistical services kawai ka post unreserved ka post stenographer ha secretariat service khatkhandai tali ki post chipotali ki post kilang unreserved prana ka bandai ki ST but kawai na ka bandai ki economically weaker section ka post semi professional assistant ha library service artali ki post unreserved ka post junior library assistant kawai ka post unreserved but ka post library attendant southli ki post artali ki post kilang unreserved kawai na ka bandai ki ST but kawai nakabantai ki economically weaker section. Ki applicant can have been register online link baka online portal link. Ka application fee ka syong dor san spa tingka batang ar spa san po tingka nakabantai ki SC ST candidate. Batang ki candidate kan thay bat ki badan jing junai ki khot mat kim dan ka ban siu ya ka application fee. Ketarik khadu ben register online kan long haka art tarik no pra December arja arpulai ya ke print out jang ke application form pendat lang lembat ki kot ki slide ki badan kam pen poisha register North Eastern Hill University Maulai Maukenro Shing Shillong Meghalaya pin code Nyokndai Lai Not RR Bat ketarik khadu ben preng ya ke print out jang ke application lembat ki kot ki slide ki badan kam kan long haka khat art tarik no pra December arja arpulai Mentip company, let's check our website www.nehu.ac.in. Kabagdil Meghalaya ka online application when pendap ka post upon contract basis, but ka post kalong ka post medical officer ka post posting kalong ha Bagdil wagisi government PHC North Garo Hills Meghalaya. Ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pendap ka MBBS degree na ki institution bala recognized ka Medical Council of India. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli kan haban pa ka application ani ka CV ka jonki ka email ID hr.bagdil@gmail.com ka tarik khado ban preng ka application kan long ha ka live ho tarik 9 November araja arpulai te palok nong pet ki to ki long ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane ka por bak na kermen benon ra shapi ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane ka tayo ka bansawan ya menta nakadurashin kan raslong na ay kuble phi ka tayo ko bhai phi baro